What's up everybody, Kid and Right here. So despite facing a lot of problems, Huawei is not stopping. The Huawei's Mate 40 Pro launch date is around the corner, but there is another smartphone we've seen speculating so far, which is the folding Huawei Mate X2 5G. Well, we have talked about it earlier that this phone is certainly in development and will closely look like the Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 2 in terms of design. But now, thanks to Let's Go Detail and Concept Creator, we can take a good look at what could be the Mate X2 5G's final design. So yeah, this is it. Like, according to all the rumors, this is what the Huawei's Mate X2 phone will look like. And honestly guys, this smartphone won't just follow the Galaxy Z Fold 2's design, but Mate X2's 5G leaks have suggested a similar 120Hz folding display at a size of 8.3 inches, itself made by Samsung. Yes, its display will be made by Samsung, however the smaller outer display is rumored to be a 4.5 inches, which features a dual punch selfie camera instead of a single selfie camera at the front. And as far as the specs are concerned, the phone will feature the Kirin 9000 chipset, and fun fact, everyone is saying that this phone will feature the next generation Kirin 1000 chip, but right now it's not possible due to the ban. Anyway, it will paired with an 8GB of RAM and 128GB of storage for the base variant. And you know what? The camera will be the best point of this smartphone. Like the Mate X2 will have a 40MP main camera coupled with another 40MP ultra wide angle one, along with a 12MP telephoto camera with 3x optical zoom capabilities. The selfie hole punch cameras are said to be either 32MP or 16MP. So yeah, it seems Huawei is planning to do an immersive job in the camera department of its folding phones too. And with that being said, we are yet to see this phone officially announced, and I'm really looking forward to see how Huawei will handle the situation with non-Chinese markets, considering its expected lack of Google apps and services. What do you think about it? Let me know your thoughts on that in the comments down below, and if you somehow like this video, a sub to the channel will make my day. So as always, I'll catch you guys in the next one. Peace out.